Welcome to our new vocabulary series with a quiz. Today, we are going to find out how to learn new words. Let's start. Look up the word. Look up the word. Read the definition. Read the definition. Translate the word. Translate the word. Check the pronunciation. Check the pronunciation. Write the word. Write the word. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Use the word in speaking. Use the word in speaking. Use the word in writing. Use the word in writing. Now, let's take a short quiz to check how much you remember. Let's start. Use the word in writing. Check the pronunciation. Read the definition. Use the word in speaking. Translate the word. Look up the word. Draw a picture. Well done. See you in our next video.